Hello children, good morning. Today we will start chapter 5, Sound of A. I will teach you 3-letter words with the vowel A. Now observe the pictures and read aloud. First word is bat. B-A-T, bat. The sound of this 3-letter word is B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. Next, C-A-T, cat. The sound of this 3-letter word is K-A-T, cat. K-A-T, cat. Next, M-A-P, map. The sound of this 3-letter word is M-A-P, map. M-A-P, map. Next, tap. The sound of this 3-letter word is T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. Next, bag. B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. Next, T-A-G, tag. The sound of this 3-letter word is T-A-G, tag. T-A-G, tag. Next, fan. F-A-N. The sound of this 3-letter word is F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. Next, pen. P-A-N, pen. P-A-N, pen. Next, P-A-D, pad. The sound of this 3-letter word is P-A-D, pad. P-A-D, pad. Next, sad. S-A-D, sad. S-A-D, sad. These are 4-letter words. B-A-L-L, ball. W-A-L-L, wall. These are some 3-letter words with vowel A. First, A-T, at. F at, fat. H at, hat. M at, mat. R at, rat. Add. B add, bad. H add, had. M add, mad. L add, lad. R K R, car. F R, far. J R, jar. V R, var. Below poem has some words with the sounds of A. With read it. I am letter A and I like to play. I run all day. Sometimes I pair with I. And why to make train and way? I always say my name when I see cake. I make words like take and make. There is no mistake. Now practice time. Observe the pictures and match the words. This is a cat. So match with the word cat. So you have to do for rest of them. Okay. Now circle the name of each picture. This is a bag. So circle the word bag. Now you have to do for rest of them. Please complete this activity at home. Take care. Bye bye.